Hey everybody, it's Joel. It's a quick video on how to use a whiteboard within your Zoom meeting rooms. So there's first thing that you need to do is go into your account settings. So this is where you went to do all the mandatory recording changes and meeting setup information from the April 25th video. But basically, after you've logged into your Zoom account, if you go to My Account and then click on Settings on the left side of your screen, there's an option for a whiteboard. Now, the easiest way to find this on a long page is if you hold down Control and hit F for Find. You can just type white and it jumps right to it, or you can scroll down to about, looks like halfway down the page. So once you click on this toggle to turn it on, you can have it save, auto-save once the sharing is stopped if you'd like to, so you can go back to it. But once that's turned on, when you go back to your meeting room and you click on Share Screen, you'll have an option for a whiteboard. So when you click on Whiteboard, because it is under the Share area, this is going to be shared with everybody on your meeting. And so you'll have this little toolbar you can move around as well. Let me get out of the way. You'll have a little toolbar where you can draw, thickness of lines, color of lines, eraser tools, spotlight. If you want to kind of point to where the steps, if you've done a bunch of steps for maybe math, you can do that. You can also do this little laser pointer, like step 1, step 2, blah, 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 blah. If you'd like to clear it all at the end, all those tools are down there as well. And just kind of mess around with that. Might be a tool that you would enjoy using. So I thought I would share it. It's free and included in your Zoom meeting. No need for other extensions or apps or etc. Bye guys. Have a great day.